doing something good so that I can enhance my fluency.
All right. Okay. Do you like learning vocabulary?
Learning vocabulary, yes, sometimes I like, but purposefully I do not like to, don't prefer to go through vocabulary. Yes,
Yeah, because I normally don't give the words for you to memorize. So let's
yes,
try to engage in a conversation. And
yeah, that would be
yeah,
better.
okay.
Yes,
And if I feel that there is a kind of new word which you can use definitely,
yes, yes,
according to a particular theme, then I will introduce that word and let's practice that.
yeah, yeah, sure,
All right.
yeah.
So, have you ever discussed uh, frustration with anybody before? You might have taken a lot of sessions, right, with so many different
Yes, yes,
tutors. Have you ever
yes.
discussed frustration? This idea of frustration.
Frustration, no.
Okay. All right. So we'll discuss this and we will learn some words related to it. Okay.
Yes, yes,
These
yeah,
words, you know what? I'm pretty sure you already know all of the words which I'm going to present.
yes,
But
yes,
the problem what we face as learners is to use them, right?
yeah,
So we'll try to learn that as well. Okay.
yeah. It's sometimes very challenging.
Uh, so we'll try to make use of that. No, no worries. It's okay.
Yeah,
So, can you tell me what are few things that you really find frustrating in your day-to-day routine?
frustrating things in
Mhm.
day-to-day routine.
Yeah, what are few things that you find frustrating?
Many things like in day-to-day routine, we get frustrated. Like some, if we do means the same thing again and again, repetitive things. So sometimes we get frustrated. Or when sometimes when I teach my daughter, mostly math, and she doesn't understand well the concept, so sometimes I get frustrated. Yeah,
Okay.
otherwise I am cool person. I do not get frustrated, but as a human nature, definitely I get frustrated sometimes.
Mm.
Yeah, but I try my best, means to avoid frustration, because it, helps our mental balance and emotional balance too.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. When was the last time you really got irritated from a situation? And yeah, what was it like?
Sometimes when I edit my videos, and and some network issue comes,
When I
and it
experienced.
takes lots of time for
Uh-huh.
editing one single video. So that time I really get frustrated or irritated.
I?
Yeah, I irritate.
No, no.
I get irritated.
I
I
get
get
irritated.
irritated. I get irritated, and if I wake up late in the morning, so that time I also get frustrated on myself, because
Oh.
I am not able to do all my household chores on one particular time.
Mhm.
Yes, so it happens mostly on Sunday.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. But sometimes it's okay, right, to just
Yes.
let yourself loose, to just sleep in on Sundays. What do you think?
Yes. Yes, it's okay, but it's my habit. I want everything should be perfect on a perfect time.
Mm.
Yeah. I'm very punctual for each and everything.
Yes. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, we have to be quite particular.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. And okay, since we're having this conversation, can you tell me about a situation, okay, where you had to deal with a very difficult person?
Very difficult person means in the
Yeah.
sense of, wow.
Now,
Difficult person means
when I say a difficult person, that means you cannot deal with that person.
very boring.
No, no, not difficult. Difficult person means he or she, they might say something else, but you're against his views. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
you're finding it very difficult to convince him, or you have
Mm-hmm.
different opinions. It's a difficult person, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
That's
yes.
a difficult person to have a normal conversation with.
Mm-hmm.
It can be anybody. It can be somebody close to you, or it can also be a complete stranger, maybe a shopkeeper. whoever.
Mhm.
Have you had any kind of experience like such?
Yes, yes.
Just too
I
serious.
had
Yeah,
experience, not only one, many times I experienced, and I deal with such type of person, like hard person,
difficult
uh,
person.
uh, difficult person. Yes, and to handle that situation, I found it really very difficult. But as the life experiences, I learned that it would be better if I means avoid such type of person, because I think if we discuss unnecessarily on any means unnecessarily topic too, so it's just wastage of time and wastage of energy too.
Mhm.
So if it's your opinion, see, it's okay. I don't want to interrupt uh, between that discussion. Yeah,
Mhm. But
it's okay if we be silent at that time.
okay. Do you
Yeah.
remember any particular situation where you had to deal with somebody like that in the past?
In the past, yes, when I was working that time
Mhm.
with my colleagues sometimes, and with my boss also, when I found that really it is difficult to handle that situation. So sometimes I argued with my boss too,
Uh-huh.
because I was very rigid with my means, the things that I did, and if my boss is not means okay with that, so I all tried my best to convince that my boss, yes, this is correct thing, and I did it well, and customer also preferred to see these types of design, so he convinced many times on my decision.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can say that your boss was sort of a difficult person to deal with
Yes, sometimes, not every time, but sometimes.
sometimes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What kind of people you find the most annoying? You find a certain category of people, a certain people with certain characteristics, very very annoying,
Mm.
and you always want to be at arm's length with them.
To avoid to deal with such type of person, it's better to avoid them.
Uh-huh. Oh,
It's
well, yeah. What
only
kind of?
option. Means one who is very irritating or very aggressive type of person.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So it's better to listen them at that time,
Listen to them.
and if
Listen to them.
necessary, listen to them, or if necessary, we can give our advice.
Mhm.
Otherwise, we just keep our mouth shut. It would be the better option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that sometimes expressing our frustration is a good thing? That we have a lot of pent up frustrations in our mind, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
sometimes there's a kind of we are not able to just keep it within ourselves, and we just burst into
Mm-hmm.
anger or frustration at times. Do you think that's a good thing?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I think sometimes it is a good practice if
Hmm.
we means give up our means express our frustration, because if we keep the frustration inside us, so that frustration can harm our emotionally and mentally too. So if we, it would be the better option for means to frustrate, when we take out our frustration for doing exercise and yoga,
By doing,
meditation,
by
are
doing,
the
by doing.
by doing yoga and meditation
Hmm.
is the best option, and listening some smooth
Listening to.
music, listening to smooth music is also a good choice for giving up the frustration.
Uh,
Or
yeah,
we
that's.
can go and in the sit in the nature too. This is also very helpful. We can sit calm in the open space and can
Uh-huh.
enjoy the nature.
Get rid of frustration,
Get,
not
getting
from,
rid of, yeah,
rid of frustration.
getting rid of frustration.
Perfect. Very good. I
Yes.
really loved your answer. Yeah, I think we have to channelize our frustration into something positive, isn't it?